Okay, so I have a digital ultrasonic cleaner by Life Basis. See, it's all polished silver from outside. Has a touch panel control, 2 buttons on and off, and a 5-level timer. And inside comes with a cleaning basket, very good material, and stainless steel tank, 600 ml. It comes with a built-in cooling fan as well. And in the packaging also comes with the detachable cord. You can just plug it in very easily. And so this works on 42 to 45 kilohertz frequency to clean the jewelry. Very great product.